Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I wanted to show you guys a super really quick tip on how to get the best eyeshadow look. I know a lot of times you can put your eyeshadow on and it looks blotchy or it's not blending well. Well, this is how you stop that from happening. Oh, but before we get to that video, if you could push that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Let's go ahead and get to that video. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take an eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer by, Urban Decay, duh. I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids here, let this dry down. This eye, I'm going to go ahead and take some powder and just kind of pat it over this to give it that smooth surface. I'm going to take a brown shadow and I'm just going to work it in my crease. Now you can see the grip right there, like it doesn't move very much, right? It's very like sticking. Look at my brush. Like doesn't want to, and I'm tugging on the eye more. Mind you, I'm barely touching it. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to this other eye and do the same thing. Now you guys can see, let me put some more eyeshadow on it. You guys can see how much easier it is for your brush to go back and forth. Yeah, it tugs on the eye, but not nearly as much as over here where it was like, you know, look at this. Same amount of pressure. So everything just kind of blends better and goes on so much smoother when you have a powder over your eyeshadow primer. It starts to get more smooth, once you've built up that shadow already on it. So the shadow acts like that powder and then it gets smoother. Now let's compare. Do you see how my edges are so much more like soft? And do you see how my edge is like a straight line? Let me even work this a little bit more. I mean, if you work it, obviously it will blend softer, but it is much harsher, the line, than when you actually put a powder on top. So what did you guys think? Is it not the easiest freaking hack or tip to actually make your makeup look flawless? Obviously, I took off all my makeup and I redid it. I'm wearing glittery, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making them for you. So if you're down there below, if you could hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.